OnePlus sent over this huge box, and in today's video, let's see what's on the inside. Hey guys, Ash here from FTJ by C4 eTech, and let's get this opened up. So opening up the box, it says Beyond Speed. It seems to be the tagline, and of course, the regular never settle. So this is another box. It has the reviewer's guide. This basically is something brands end up sending us. This has all the specifications and all the information about the OnePlus 7 Pro and the Bullets Wireless 2. I will check this out later. This here is the OnePlus Bullets Wireless 2, the new wireless Bluetooth earphones that OnePlus is launching alongside the OnePlus 7 Pro. And here is the OnePlus Warp Car charger. And finally, the OnePlus 7 Pro. Let's now clear everything and get to this box. So let me go ahead and peel the plastic off. And it kind of reminds me of the OnePlus 6T's box. It's got the same red band around it with the OnePlus community stuff. This time though, it's got Go Beyond Speed to the side. That is the official tagline. So OnePlus has always been about speed, right? And it feels like as a brand, OnePlus is trying to say they are not just about speed anymore. And no, they've not mentioned the pricing here. I did try to see if they did. Sometimes some brands end up letting that slip. No such luck with the 7 Pro though. Just the regular stuff. 12 gigs of RAM on this one, 256 gigs of storage on my review unit. Inside we've got, again, yet another box. Let's see what's in this one. Here we've got a case. Now this is a soft case. And then we've got some OnePlus stickers, more promotional material. Go Beyond Speed, Never Settle, and the rest of it, SIM ejector tool. Nicely done, I'd say. It's always nice to see brands pay attention to the little things. And here's the OnePlus 7 Pro in all its glory. In-display fingerprint scanner, Never Settle. That's the back. We've got a gradient design here. Let's take that plastic off. Hey, not only does this look really nice, but it also feels really nice. Let me remove that sticker. This is the Nebula Blue and it looks fabulous. I really feel OnePlus has done a wonderful job. The curves here feels like the build's very polished. Let me turn it on. Here's the pop-up camera. Anyway, let's get to it later. So digging in, what else do we have here? We have a little message from Pete. You can pause and read this if you want to. We then have a 30-watt warp charger, the same one we've seen from the McLaren edition OnePlus 6T. And then finally, we've got a USB Type-C cable, similar red colored cables as we've seen with OnePlus phones in the past. We don't have a Type-C to headphone jack converter though. I mean, despite the OnePlus 7 Pro still not having a headphone jack, OnePlus seems to have gone the Apple route with the converter, or rather not including the converter. I did end up searching for it for a while though. Now that's just sad. Anyway, that's pretty much what was in this box. I mean, that's pretty much what was there. Now for my first impressions of the OnePlus 7 Pro, that video should already be up on C4 eTech, so check out this card here. And I guess that's it for this video. Liked it or hated it? Go ahead, let me know with a thumbs up, thumbs down, subscribe, turn on notifications by hitting that bell icon if you haven't yet. And thanks a lot for watching. Till next time, my name's Ash. You've been watching FTJ by C4 eTech, and I'll catch you in the next one. Ciao.